So I have a section of a stainless tube. It's 3/8 inch and 22 gauge. And we had a customer who needed to weld a stranded copper wire 18 gauge onto this tube. They really didn't have any size or space limitations, but they struggled to get a decent pull strength with it. Maybe they were getting somewhere around 7 to 10 pounds. So we decided to try it with the Percussion welder. So as you saw from the pull test, the wire broke at about 32 pounds. And as you can see here on the screen, the weld didn't break, but the wire broke above the weld. That's about maybe about 70 to 80 thousandths above the weld. We just dialed in some rough settings to do the weld. Got the actuators running at 56 volts. We had a delay of 0.7 milliseconds. Had 85.5 volts on the weld. We're running in regular mode, long pulse, negative polarity with 3 caps. And that weld schedule proved to be pretty